Hello friends, my name is Parth and I'm going to teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube today. So the first step is to make the plus on the top. You have to line this piece with the center, okay? Next you're going to have to make every other color like that. There's a method how to solve it. It's like you have a green piece right on the bottom, like this, okay? You gotta take it to the center piece and you gotta roll this thing up, and you're good to go. Then you have to do it the same thing with other sides too. So look, now I'm done. You also have to pick your own color for this. Pick your own color. You can pick. I picked green, so if you want, you can copy with me, or you can get any other color. Okay. Next, I'm gonna solve these corners over here, like this one. If yours is not solved like this, you gotta go down, move this away, like that, or you can move it like this and take it up. So now I have it over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line it up with the centerpiece. So what in the bottom is going to be white. So what in the green should be on the white side. So what you got to do is you got to go this side, this way, like this. Then you got to line it up and there, like that. Then keep on doing that until you're finished with it. Like I have a yellow piece right here, and I'm gonna line it up with the green, and the orange is right here, and there's an orange right there. So what you gotta do, you gotta go like that. No, the opposite, like that, like that, like that. So you might get something like this. It's okay, you can solve it very easily. You gotta take 2 turns up, but if you get this thing, it's okay, there's a way to solve it. So you gotta turn your cube like this, and then you gotta take this down like that, here. Good, now I have solved 2 of these, and I'm gonna solve the rest right here. Here's one yellow and a red on the bottom. Just take it the opposite, take it this way, down, here, and here. And find another green one, but mine is on the bottom, let's say. Mine is on the bottom. So you just go down, go like that, go up. And then now you gotta take it this side this time. So now you're gonna have to go, if you're holding it like this, red should be solved, the green should be right here. I'm gonna turn the cube so you see what I'm doing right now. You take this back. No, you gotta take this forward, like right here. And then, you know how I tilt my cube like that? I'm just gonna take this down, and I'm gonna make it right here. Like if it's right here, I'm gonna have to change it like that. If you're gonna have to do it, you gotta change this one like that, and then you gotta take it up. Next, I'm gonna solve these things. So let me give you an example what exactly they are. So I'm gonna solve one. See here, now I solved these. We're gonna solve these, okay? So first, find a one like I found one of these. Don't take those because that's the blue. So you gotta take. But if all of yours is like this, then the easiest way is to go down. Go down. You gotta take this one down, and you gotta take this up, and then you gotta go like right No, like this, and then take it up. You see, I got this one over here, right? So now I'm gonna solve that. Easy. How to solve it is you gotta go this way, this way, this way, this way. Then I'm gonna tilt my cube like that, and this way, like that. Done. We made these two. I got some done, okay? Now I'm gonna keep on repeating, but I'll help you on it. Go like that, 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 that. Now I'm gonna, this is gonna be solved now. You gotta solve this, so you have to go like this, like this, like this, and like this. I got this one solved. Now I'm gonna go for the next one, like with this one. I'll go with this one. All I have to do is I'm gonna take this one down like that and take this up. Now I'm gonna tilt my cube like this and then that and that, like that. So I have this one solved. Let me see. I have only 2 more left. So suppose like this, I have to take this down like that and help it like that. All my sides are completed, like this. Now we're gonna go and move on to third layer, which is like this. Go here, we gotta use this algorithm. So if mine has a line, so we're gonna have to do it like this. But if you have a square, you gotta hold it like that. Something like this, okay? So the formula is F R U R dash U dash F dash. Now I have completed my these all things, but if you have the plus but these are not solved, you have to go R U2 R dash U R U dash like this and then down. Like mine are mixed up now. I'm gonna solve it for you really quick. R U2 R dash U dash R U dash R dash. Like this now. I got it all solved. Now we're gonna go for the corners, okay? You see, mine is solved, but if yours is not solved, so if yours is solved, you gotta hold it right there. But if one is like right beside the solved one, you gotta go here. You have to hold it on this side, like right here. You gotta go L U R U dash, then you go L, then you gotta move this one here like that, and here you go. Now I have 2 right, okay? But if yours is not, like suppose you have to then keep on doing that formula until this thing is solved, or all of yours should be solved, like this should be like this, okay? But if you have the solved color here, like right here, then hold it on the opposite side and hold it like this. The color should be over here. My solved color is over here. So now what I'm going to do is some simple formula. Just keep on doing it again and again. R dash D dash R D. R dash D dash R D. Then if mine is solved like right here, okay? Now I'm going to turn it and go R dash D dash R D. 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 You might get something like this, but your cube is solved now. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for this video.